Market supply curve and price elasticity of supply. Market supply curve and its measurement. The aggregate of the supplies of the firms in the market in a specific market price is called the market supply curve in that price level. The market supply curve increases when the total number of firms increases as well. Then, we can see that the curve shifts right when the total supply rises, and the inverse happens when the curve shifts towards left. One firm starts to produce its positive output in the market price, which may be different from other firm, which due to different cost structure starts its output in another market price. The total supply curve of them will be a horizontal summation and will be projected in right side. Price elasticity of supply. The price elasticity is measured by the fraction where the percentage change in the supplied quantity is divided by the percentage change in price of the product. Price elasticity of supply or PES is denoted with the variable ES. The Q0 is the quantity of good as supplied to the market, say 50. When its price is P0, that is 8, but due to some reason, when the price changes as P1, that is 11, the quantity supplied is changed to Q1, that is 75. Now the price elasticity of supply or ES will be percentage change in quantity supplied as divided by percentage change in price. The geometric method to measure the price elasticity. If we plot the supply curve in the graph quadrants, we can see the below mentioned situations of the price elasticity. In figure A, the supply curve cuts the price axis at its positive range, but the quantity axis at its negative range. T is a point on the supply curve. Thus, NQ0 is greater than OQ0, that is, price elasticity at any point on this supply curve will be greater than 1. In figure B, the supply curve goes from point O where the point N coincides. T is a point on the supply curve. Thus, NQ0 is equal to OQ0 or OQ0 is equal to OQ0, that is price elasticity at any point on this supply curve will be equal to 1. In figure C, the supply curve cuts the price axis at its negative range but the quantity axis at its positive range. T is a point on the supply curve. Thus, NQ0 is lesser than OQ0. That is, price elasticity at any point on this supply curve will be lesser than 1.